Have you ever wondered, where do cryptocurrencies actually come from? Are they printed like money, or do they just appear magically online? Today, let's break down how crypto is created through mining and minting. Let's go? First things first. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum are not printed like dollars. They're created using computers through a process called mining or minting. This creation happens on something called a blockchain, a digital ledger that keeps track of every crypto transaction. Let's start with mining, the way Bitcoin and some other cryptos are created. Think of mining like solving a super hard puzzle. Miners use powerful computers to solve these puzzles, and when they get it right, they create a new block, and as a reward, they earn some Bitcoin. This process is called proof of work. It uses a lot of electricity and computing power. Mining is like digital gold digging, but instead of shovels, miners need strong computers, called rigs, lots of electricity, time, and luck. The more computers mining, the harder the puzzles become. Now, let's talk about minting, a newer and greener way of creating crypto. Instead of solving puzzles, you lock up your crypto as a stake. This process is called proof of stake. The more coins you stake, the more chance you have to validate transactions and earn new coins as a reward, like minting new tokens. So what's the difference? Mining needs big machines and electricity. Minting needs you to hold crypto and support the network. Both create new coins, but in very different ways. To sum it up, mining solve puzzles, earn crypto. Minting stake coins, earn rewards. Now you know how crypto is born. Want more easy crypto lessons? Like this video, subscribe to Block Basics, and keep learning.